Is EQ Bank a Quebec thing? You've probably heard the buzz about online banking. You know, those digital-only banks promising high interest rates, no fees, and all the convenience of banking from your couch. One of the big names in this game is EQ Bank. It's got a reputation for being a top-tier option for Canadians looking to maximize their savings. But here's the burning question: is this financial fiesta available to everyone, including those of us living in the beautiful province of Quebec? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why wouldn't it be available? Well, believe it or not every financial product is accessible nationwide in Canada. Some banks or services might have limitations based on provincial regulations or other factors. So, it's entirely possible that EQ Bank, with all its shiny features, might not be a Quebec resident's dream come true. But fear not, my fellow Quebecers. We're about to uncover the truth. We'll explore the ins and outs of EQ Bank's availability in our province. We'll talk about the services they offer, any potential restrictions, and whether or not it's worth considering as your go-to bank. So, if you're curious about making your money work harder without breaking the bank, stick around. We're about to find out if EQ Bank is the financial answer you've been searching for. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes EQ Bank so appealing. They've managed to capture the attention of many Canadians with their high-interest savings accounts. The promise of earning more on your money without dealing with the hassle of traditional banks is certainly tempting. But how does this translate to Quebec? Well, the good news is that EQ Bank does indeed offer its personal account to Quebec residents. That means you can enjoy those competitive interest rates on your savings. However, it's important to note that not all features are available to Quebecers. For instance, EQ to EQ transfers aren't currently supported in the province. So, while you can open an account and save, moving money between EQ accounts might not be as seamless as it is for other Canadians. But wait, there's more. In a recent development, EQ Bank introduced the EQ Bank Card, or Carte Banque EQ in French, specifically for Quebec customers. This card allows you to withdraw cash for free at any ATM in Canada, earn cash back on your spending, and enjoy the same high interest rate on your card balance as your savings account. It's like getting rewarded for using your money. So, while EQ Bank might not offer the full suite of services to Quebec residents, they've clearly made an effort to cater to the needs of the province. The availability of a high-interest savings account and the introduction of the EQ Bank Card are significant steps in the right direction. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Having access to a competitive financial product like EQ Bank can make a real difference in your financial well-being. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a home, building an emergency fund, or simply looking to grow your money, a high-interest savings account can help you reach your goals faster. But it's not just about the interest rate. EQ Bank's fee-free model and user-friendly platform are also attractive features. No monthly fees, no transfer fees, and a mobile app that makes banking a breeze, it's a tempting package. So, if you're a Quebec resident looking to make the most of your money, EQ Bank is definitely worth considering. While it might not be a perfect fit for everyone, it's undoubtedly a strong contender in the online banking space. Before we wrap up, let's address some potential concerns. Some people might be hesitant to switch to an online bank due to security worries. It's understandable to be cautious about your hard-earned money. But rest assured, EQ Bank is regulated by the federal government and employs robust security measures to protect your information. Another common question is about access to cash. While EQ Bank doesn't have physical branches, you can easily withdraw cash from any ATM in Canada using your EQ Bank Card. Plus, they reimburse any ATM fees, so you won't be out of pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.